1.5 first question. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. In this first question, there is 5 parts are there. First one, 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5, 2 is a rational number and root 5 is a irrational number. So we know what is the first property. The sum or difference of a rational number with an irrational number is always irrational. Which means here 2 is a rational number and root 5 is irrational number. So the difference between one rational and irrational is always irrational. So this answer is irrational, which means 2 minus root 5 is a irrational number. And second one, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So here we can write 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. We can cancel plus 23 and minus 23. Our answer is 3. This 3 we can write as 3 by 1. 3 by 1 means this is in the form of p by q. P is 3 and q is 1. And p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So 3 is a rational number. So our second question, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23 is a rational number. So this is rational number. And the third one, 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. In this question, 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. We can cancel both root 7. What is remaining? 2 by 7. This is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So this is also a rational number. And fourth one, 1 divided by root 2. Here 1 is a rational number. This is a rational number and root 2 is irrational number. We know that when we are dividing one rational number with an irrational number, then our answer is always irrational. So this is 1 by root 2 is irrational number. And last part, 2 into 5. Here 2 is rational number. This is rational number and 5 is an irrational number. When we are multiplying a rational number with an irrational number, then also our answer is always irrational. So here is also 2 pi is irrational number. Second question. Simplify each of the following expressions. First part, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. This is in the form of a plus b into c plus d form. What is a plus b into c plus d? A plus b into c plus d equal to ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. This is the equation. Here at the place of a is 3, b is root 3, c is 2 and d is equal to root 2. So substitute these values in this equation. That is equal to AC plus AD plus BC plus PD. That is AC means A is 3. 3 into C is here 2. 3 into 2 plus, or just look here, 3 into 2 plus, next 3 into root 2. 3 into root 2 plus, next root 3 into 2. Root 3 into 2 plus root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. 3 2 6 plus 3 into root 2 means that is 3 root 2 plus root 3 into 2 means that is 2 root 3 plus this is root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2 we can write root 3 into 2. Which property? Root a into root b is equal to root ab. Using this property, we can write root 3 into root 2 as root 3 into 2. That is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. So this is the answer. And second question, 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. This is also a plus b into a minus b form. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to root 3. Substitute these values in this equation. That is equal to a square. A square means 3 square minus, what is our b? B is equal to root 3. That is root 3 square. That is equal to 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 multiply 2 times. 9 minus, here we can cancel this square and root. That is 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So that answer is 6. Or we know that a plus root b into a minus root b. A square minus b. This equation. A plus root b into a minus root b equal to a square minus b. This is the direct application of this equation. Third one, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Root a plus root b whole square. What is root a plus root b whole square? Root a plus root b whole square is equal to a plus 2 root ab plus b. This is the equation. So substitute those values. What is a here? A is 5 and b is equal to 2. Substitute the values. 5 plus 2 into root 5 into 2 plus 2. That is 5 plus 2 into 5 2s are 10 plus 2. What is 5 plus 2? We are adding this 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus what is remaining here? 2 root 10 is remaining here. That is 7 plus 2 root 10. So this is the answer. And the fourth question, root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. This is also root a plus root b into root a minus root b, or you can take a plus b into a minus b. That equation also, both equations are correct. So here I am taking a plus b into a minus b equation. Okay. What is a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Here at the place of a, here root 5. At the place of b, here root 2. So here a is equal to root 5 and b is equal to root 2. Substitute these values in this equation. That is equal to a square minus b square. Or we know that what is your first equation? Root a plus root b into root a minus root b equal to a minus b. This is that same equation. Just look. That is equal to root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Here we can cancel this square and root. Here also we can cancel this square and root. What is remaining? 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. In your textbook, what is your first equation? Root a plus root b into root a minus root b equal to a minus b. Okay, here root a plus root b into root a minus root b. Here a is 5 and b is 2. Answer is a minus b, that is 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Both equations are correct, and this is little more easy one. So we know that a plus b into a minus b. For in all questions, you just substitute this equation and find what is a and what is b. That is the only one process. You have to find what is a and what is b. Is it root 1 or simply number? Our third question. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, which means pi is, we know that pi is a irrational number, but pi means that is circumference divided by our d. That is pi is equal to c by d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. Is it? There is no contradiction, because circumference, what is the equation of circumference? That is 2 pi r divided by diameter d. Okay. In 2 pi r, 2 into r, I just rewrite this equation like this. 2r pi by d. 2r is radius. 2r means double of the radius. We know that what is the double of the radius? Actually 2r is our diameter. So at the place of 2r, I am writing diameter. That is, this is become d pi by d. So we can cancel this d. Again, we got only that pi value only. So there is no contradiction. So we can write there is no contradiction, as either C or D is irrational, and hence pi is. Fourth question, represent root 9.3 on the number line. Actually, this is our answer. I will explain how it comes. Okay. So first step, first you draw a straight line. So here I am drawing a straight line first, and there is a fixed point. That point is A. And again, from this point A, you mark 9.3 centimeter, and that point is B. Which means here the length AB is 9.3 centimeter. From B, again you find 1 centimeter more, and that point is C. Which means here the distance BC is 1 centimeter. And our next step, we have to find the midpoint of AC. Okay. You can find that midpoint by compass or scale. Okay. So here AC is total is 9.3 plus 1, 10.3 centimeter. So this point O is the exact midpoint of AC. And our next step, using compass, find this distance. This distance means using compass, make O as a center and take OC distance and draw a semicircle. So this is that semicircle, that radius is OC is our radius. And again in this point B, using protractor, you draw a 90-degree straight line. Okay, that 90-degree straight line touches that semicircle. That point is D. Now this length is our root 9.3. How to find that root 9.3 on the number line? Again you are taking your compass and B as center, take BD length. Okay, using your compass, take BD length and B as center, draw an arc which intersect our number line. That point is E and that is root 9.3. We know that root 9 is 3. So root 9.3 means this point is exactly little bit more than 3. Just check with your scale from B to E. What is that distance? So this point is root 9.3. Fifth question, rationalize the denominator of the following. First part, 1 by root 7. So here 1 by root 7. What is our denominator? Denominator is root 7. So here first step, 1 by root 7. We are multiplying the same number with both the numerator and the denominator. That is into root 7 divided by root 7. This is a fraction form and this is also fraction form. How to multiply two fractions? Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. That is equal to 1 into root 7. Any number multiplied with 1, that number itself. So 1 into root 7 is root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7. We know that what is root A into root A equal to A. This is one equation. Okay. So here at the place of a, here 7. Root 7 into root 7 means that answer is 7 only. So here the answer is root 7 divided by 7. In this answer our denominator is a rational number. And second one, 1 divided by root 7 minus root 6. So here is two numbers are under radical sign are here. So our first step, 1 divided by root 7 minus root 6 into. Take the reverse or opposite operation of denominator. Here is subtraction. So here we are taking root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 plus root 6 and multiply it. 1 into root 7 plus 1 into root 7 plus root 6 divided by here root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. This is a minus b into a plus b form. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. We know that a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here at the place of a, what is here? Root 7. At the place of b here, root 6. So here a is equal to root 7 and b is equal to root 6. And substitute the value. What is a square minus b square? That is equal to root 7 square minus root 6 square. Here we can cancel square and root. Here also we can cancel square and root. Answer is 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1 is our answer. So substitute that value here. That is 1 into root 7 plus root 6 means any number multiplied by 1, that number itself. That is root 7 plus root 6 divided by, what is the value of this one? Root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 is 1. That is root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1. That is equal to root 7 plus root 6. So this is the answer. And third question, 1 divided by root 5 plus root 2. Here also we are taking the inverse operation. That is 1 by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. That is equal to 1 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. This is root a plus root b into root a minus root b. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b equal to a minus b. So using this equation here, that is any number multiplied by 1, that number itself. Root 5 minus root 2 divided by here root a plus root b into root a minus root b. Answer is a minus b. Here a is 5 minus b is 2. 5 minus 2, that is equal to root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. So this is the answer. And fourth one, 1 divided by root 7 minus 2. This root is only for 7. So here 1 by root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. That is equal to 1 into root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2. Here also a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 7 plus root 2 divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Here our a is root 7 and b is 2. This equation. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Substitute the values of a and b in that equation. That is root 7 whole square minus what is b? 2. 2 square square equal to root 7 plus root 2 divided by here this square and root is cancelled. That is 7 minus, what is the value of 2 square? 2 square means 2 multiply 2 times 2 square is 4. That is root 7 plus root 2 divided by 3. So this is the answer. So these are our exercise questions.